Hi everyone, I'm Anisha and this is your Tech Tip Tuesday. Today, let's talk about how to detect a phishing email before it causes damage. Phishing emails are designed to trick you into clicking links, opening attachments, or giving away information, and they are getting more convincing. So, here are four quick things to check. First, look at the sender's email address, not just the display name. A message can say it's from your bank, but the actual address may look strange or slightly misspelled. Second, watch for urgency. Phrases like act now, account suspended, or just last warning are classic phishing tactics. Attackers want you to panic and click without thinking. Third, hover over links before clicking. If the link doesn't match the website it claims to be from, don't click it. And the last one, be cautious when an unexpected attachments or requests for passwords or codes. Legitimate organization won't ask for sensitive information by email. So when in doubt, don't click, report it or delete it. A few seconds of checking can save you from serious security incident. That's your Tech Tip Tuesday. Stay alert and stay secure.